Okay, one real question. Has anyone actually explained accounting to you properly? Like, not in a way your professor teaches you in the morning while you're half asleep. Every single company on this planet, Reliance, Apple, your favorite chai tapri, they all run on the same system. And today, in this video, we are going to understand the entire accounting thing. तो चलते हैं full accounting एक बार में. No jargons, no boring textbook energy, just real stuff. So, what even is accounting? Think of accounting as the official scoreboard of a business. Cricket has runs, wickets, and run rate. Accounting has revenue, expenses, and profit. Every time a business does something, buys something, sells something, pays someone, accounting records it. It's basically the business Instagram account. But instead of photos, it posts transactions. And why does this matter? Because without accounting, you are basically flying blind. पैसे आ रहे हैं, पैसे जा रहे हैं, but where? Why? How much is left? You don't know anything. Everything in accounting comes down to one simple equation. Assets is equals to liability plus owner's equity. That's it. That's the whole thing. The entire universe of accounting in just one simple equation. Let me break it down for you. Assets are everything a business owns: cash, building, machine, inventory. These are the Avengers of business. Liabilities are everything that the business owes, like loans, bills, creditors. These are the villains. And the owner's equity, that's what left after kicking all the villains out. That's the hero's reward. Here's the rule that never breaks. No matter what happens in the business, sale, purchase, loan, salary, this equation always stays balanced. Now, here's the system accountant use to keep that equation balanced. It's called double entry bookkeeping, and the concept is simple. Every transaction has two sides, two sides, two sides.
समझ रहे हो?
Think of it like this. You know how in Friends, when something good happens to Ross, something equally bad happens to Ross. Double entry is like that. Every transaction, something goes up, something else goes down. Balance maintained. The two sides are called debit and credit. Debit is the left side, credit is the right side. Debit does not always mean bad, and credit does not always mean good. They are just sides of a table. That's it. Quick cheat sheet for you. Assets increases with debit and liabilities increases with credit. Revenue increases with credit and expenses increases with debit. बस इतना याद कर लो, बाकी सब खुद समझ आ जाएगा. So, now that we know debit and credit, let's actually record a transaction. This recording is called a journal entry. Think of the journal entry as the business diary, but like a very boring, very systematic diary. Let's do a real example. Suppose your business sells product worth rupees 50 lakh rupees in cash. What happens here? Your cash goes up, so we debit the cash. Your revenue, which is your sales, goes up, so we credit the sales. Simple enough. The equation stays balanced. Another one, you pay rent of 10,000 rupees from cash. Now, rent expense goes up, so you will debit it. Cash goes down, so you will credit it. मतलब expense बढ़ा तो debit किया, cash गया तो credit किया. Every single transaction in the history of every business is starts with just a simple journal entry. Microsoft investing in OpenAI, a journal entry. Your college canteen buys onion, also a journal entry. Same system, different scale. Okay, so we have been recording journal entries one by one, but now imagine doing this for hundreds of transactions in a day. You need to organize them, sort them, find them fast, and that's where our ledgers comes in. The ledger is basically a collection of all the T accounts, all your cash transaction in one place, all your sales transaction in one place, all your expenses in one place, and so on. It's like your contacts app. Journal is every conversation, ledger is the contact sorted by name. At the end of a period, you add up each side of the T account. The difference between the two sides is called the balance. Cash account balance tells you how much cash does the business have right now, and that's it. That's your ledger. Now we have done all our journal entries. Ledger balance are also calculated Before making a big financial statement, we do a sanity check, and that sanity check is called trial balance. And it has one job: make sure total debits are equals with total credits. If they match, it's a green flag. You can move ahead. But if they don't, something went wrong somewhere. And you need to become Sherlock Holmes to identify what went wrong. And you need to identify that. One important note here: a matching trial balance does not mean you are 100% error free. Some errors don't affect the trial balance, like recording a sale transaction in the wrong account, but it's still the most important checkpoint in the accounting cycle. Now, let's talk about financial statements. There are three main financial statements. Think of them as the three Avengers of accounting. Each has a specific superpower, starting with income statement or profit and loss. The income statement answer one question: did the business make you money this period? Revenue minus expenses is equals to your net profit or net loss. That's literally it. Revenue is everything that the business earned. Expenses are everything it spent to earn that revenue. Think of it like revenue means all the runs your team scored, and expenses are runs the opponent scored, what you gave away to earn those runs. And net profit, your final run margin. Simple है, कितना कमाया, कितना खाया, कितना बचाया. Our second financial statement is balance sheet. The balance sheet is a snapshot of business at one specific moment. It shows what does the business own, what does it owe, what's left for the owner. Assets on the one side, liabilities plus equity on the other. Both sides must be equal. Remember that equation from before? This is where it shows up. The balance sheet is a selfie of the business, not a video, not a story. A selfie, one frozen moment. The income statement is the whole year journey. The balance sheet is just a photo at the year end. दोनों ही important है, but different purpose के लिए. Here's the one most people forget: cash flow statement. And honestly, it might be the most important one, because a business can show profit on paper and still run out of cash. The cash flow statement tracks actual cash coming in and going out. It has three sections: operating activities, which captures day-to-day business; investing activities, which captures buying asset, making investments; and financing activities like loan, equity, and dividends. All three together tells you where is the real money. So just to recap, we have three financial statements. Income statement shows us did we make any profit for a particular period. Balance sheet is the selfie of the business, which shows what do we own and what do we owe at one moment, which generally is month or period end. And the cash flow is where did the cash came from and where did cash go. All three together reports the health of the business. Now let's talk about the complete accounting cycle. Put this all together. Accounting cycle is the full process from the first transaction to the final financial statement. It has 8 steps, and companies repeat this every single accounting period: monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Step 1 would be identify the transaction. Did something happen that affects the business? A sale, a purchase, a payment? If yes, record it. Step 2 would be record the journal entry. Record the debit and credit. In step 3, you will post to ledger. Move those entry into their specific accounts. Step 4 would be trial balance. Add it all up, do debits equal credits. In our step 5, we will do adjusting entries. Some things happens over time, like depreciation or prepaid expenses. We adjust for those. And in our step 6, we will prepare adjusted trial balance, which is nothing but a trial balance which is prepared after we have posted all the adjusting journal entries. In our step 7, we will create financial statement which contains income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And in the step 8, we will book closing entries, reset the revenue and expenses account, and we will start fresh in upcoming year. So what is a depreciation? Your laptop costs 1 lakh rupees, but next year it's not worth 1 lakh anymore. That's loss in value over time. That's the depreciation. We record it every year as an expense. What is the difference between accrual versus cash accounting? So cash accounting stays, you record when cash actually moves, but in accrual accounting, you record when the transaction happens. even if cash has not moved. Most business use accrual accounting. Then what is our working capital? Current assets minus current liability will give you the working capital. This is basically the business day-to-day survival money. Positive working capital, it means breathing room. Negative means danger zone. And ratio analysis? Well, numbers alone don't tell you everything. Ratios compare numbers to give you meaning. Like a batting average in cricket, 50 runs in 50 balls versus 50 runs in 150 ball. Very different stories, right? एक important चीज होती है gap, generally accepted accounting principle. These are the rules everyone follows. Without gap, every company would cook their books differently. Gap is basically the rule book like DRS in cricket system. Keep everyone honest. So, who actually sits and does all this in a company? You have accountants who do the day to day recording, controllers who oversee all of it, like CFOs who use this data to make big financial decisions, and auditors, external people who verify that no one is lying. क्योंकि अगर नंबर गलत हो गए तो इनकम टैक्स वाले आ जाएंगे, and nobody wants that. Okay, so that was the entire accounting system. From very first transaction to journal entries to ledger to trial balance to all the three financial statements. The full accounting cycle, we covered everything. Now, if you're thinking, wait, I need to understand balance sheet better or liabilities or any other topic which you are thinking about, what you have to do, just comment so I can make more such videos for you in future as well. If you want detailed PDF note, check the description of this video or pinned comment and you can get the PDF notes of this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.